Hello guys, so now we will see this question. ABCD is a rhombus with diagonal AC 115 mm and diagonal BD 75 mm. The corner A is in HP and the rhombus is made inclined to HP. That is angle theta is given such that the plan appears as a square. Okay. If the diagonal AC makes an angle of 25 degree with VP, draw the projections of the plane and find its inclination with the HP and VP. So here a plane PLANE, plane means two-dimensional entity. Here this plane is a rhombus and plan, that is PLAN, it means top view. Okay, so plane means a diagram, that is it. Here in this question it is rhombus, it may be rectangle, it may be hexagon, and plan means top view. Plan means top view. Okay, so first we will draw a xy line parallel to this. Xy line should be horizontal, perfectly horizontal. Now we will draw a rhombus of diagonal AC 115 and 75 mm. So this is a 115 mm diagonal AC. Now from midpoint of this diagonal, so 115, that is 11.5 mm, so the midpoint of 11.5 is a 57.5. So from this point draw 7.5 such that on both sides there is an equal length. So midpoint of 75 is a 37.5, so take 37.5 here on midpoint and draw this line. So these are the two diagonals of rhombus. Then connect the points and draw these rhombus. This is ABCD rhombus of diagonal 115 and 75 mm. Then take projection of these points on XY line. These points are small points, small letters. Then make this front view as dark. Then the rhombus appears as a square in second stage. It means that in second stage top view, the vertical height of top view remains same, but horizontal length is decreases such that the rhombus appears as squares. It means that both diagonal becomes equal, but vertical diagonal is remains same. So it means that we have to draw a 7.5 horizontal diagonal. So this is a square such that vertical diagonal is 75 and horizontal diagonal is also 75. For front view, mark point as small letters with dash. For top view, mark points as small letter with small letter. Take projection in top view. Now the plan appears as square. It means that the rhombus is inclined, the diagonal is inclined, rhombus along with diagonal is inclined. So we will take projection of these points in front view area, but the diagonal AC remains same. The length of diagonal AC, if it is inclined, then it is the inclined length is equal to diagonal AC. So in compass we will take this distance. It is equal to 11.5 centimeter, and from this point we will draw the arc on this line. So this is a actual inclination. Now from intersecting point, now calculate this angle, measure this angle, and this angle is a angle theta. This angle is 49 degree. This is angle theta. Now in question it is given that if the diagonal AC makes an angle of 25 degree with VP, it means that the diagonal AC is actually an inclined line, and this inclined line also makes an angle with VP by 25 degree. So it becomes a oblique line, because a line is inclined to a VP as well as HP. It means that the line is a oblique line. So if line becomes oblique line, then we have to calculate angle beta. So the given data is angle phi is equal to 25 degree, and we have to calculate angle beta here. Now to calculate angle beta, we will draw a line parallel to XY outside of diagram and mark it as x1 y1. Then from this line a 115 mm line is inclined at 25 degree. So this point is a small a. From this point we will take 25 degree angle and mark 115 mm. So this line is a x1 y1. This point is small a, angle phi 25 degree given, and this length is a true length, which is a diagonal AC equal to 115 mm. This is the end point of true length. Now from this point draw locus line parallel to XY, and now the stage 2 diagonal is a plan length. Stage 2 diagonal is a plan length. So this is a plan length, and plan length is equal to 75 mm. So from this point we will draw arc of 75 mm, and this become a plan length. So this point is C, and this point is C1 as per, or C stage 2. This point is C stage 1. This point is C stage 1. This point is C stage 2. And now calculate this angle. This angle is our required angle. It is equal to 42 degree. So beta is equal to 42 degree. Now from this point, take 42 degree, draw a reference line at 42 degree, and then as inclination, that is diagonal is inclined to 25 degree. It means that this diagonal AC is inclined, this point is on here. Okay, so now we will mark this point 7.5 here. This point is A and this point is C. Now to copy paste this square here and diagonal AC on this line, you can take distance with the help of compass also, and or with the help of scale also. So this distance A to B and A to D is same. Also C to B and C to D same for this question. So we will, after taking distance, we will mark this point and then connect these points. We will get this square. So this point is A, B, C and D. Now take projection of this point in front view area. Then projection, horizontal projection of this front view here. So this point becomes A. Okay, this point is D, this point is B and this point is C. Now from this point, so this is how our front view will look like. This is our answer will look like. This is additional diagram.